Hi friends, my name is Heidi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to just be looking at a very basic, awesome break utilizing a 5-stroke roll. We're going to be looking at two different ways how we can use this 5-stroke roll. Mainly playing with a single stroke or playing with our double strokes. Let's get straight into just the basic 5-stroke roll, and then we're going to put it together in context over a few different kind of grooves and patterns. So, firstly, 5-stroke roll, it just means we're hitting 5 strokes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's pretty simple and pretty basic. The first way you want to learn this is with your single stroke roll, simply because it's the easiest point to start it. So basically, you'll start with your leading hand. Again, that's recommended. You can practice it leading with both hands, left and right. So right, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything on the top, very easy. And hey, good. Now you can practice it. If you really want to make a technique exercise out of it, you can practice your single stroke alternating between right hand lead and left hand lead. So that would look something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Again, right, then left. Then right, then left. And as usual, of course, I would recommend you practicing this with a metronome. Make a technique exercise from your 5-stroke roll, just to get it really into your muscle memory, into your hands, into your mind. So, and when you do that, again, my recommendation would be to do it with a left hand lead as well as a right hand lead, so that you're also practicing your kind of weaker hand. In my case, that's the left hand, right? So this microphone keeps going down, so I'm just going to move it up again. It's the stand. I don't know if any of you guys understand the pain of a freaking stand that keeps going down, but hey. Okay, so the exercise that you would do, again, ideally with a metronome, starting at an excruciatingly slow speed, would be starting with your strong hand, for me, right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and left, right, left, right, left, and right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Try it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Here we go, and hey, 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 Good. Now you can practice that, take up your speed until it's like... Great. That's a technique exercise which you should seriously incorporate into your practicing routine. And if you want to really check out more exercises like this with full practice along videos, where I literally sit with you with a metronome, starting very slowly, and then we take up our speed, 10 beats per minute every round, and we practice this 5-stroke roll, 3-stroke roll, 4-stroke roll, and a bunch of other technique things. Go and check this out on my modern method for cajon on my cajon platform, cajonbox.com. Now we're going to look at the second way that we can play this 5-stroke roll, and that's with using a double stroke, okay? Or actually using 2 double strokes, to be precise. So that would be placing 2 strokes consecutively after each other on the same hand. That's what we call double stroke, okay? Single stroke, right, left, right, left, right, left. Double stroke, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Okay, cool. So to create 5, we would be creating right, right, left, left, right. Okay. Microphone stand. Stay in place. Okay, here we go. So, right, practicing with our strong hand for now. That's kind of what we're going to be doing. Good. Right, left, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now again, same thing. More advanced technique exercise. Right hand lead, left hand lead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then with the left, 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 right, right, left. Very good. Right, right, left, left, right. Left, left, right, right, left. And again. Here we go. Here we go again. And again, and again, and again. Because that's how you get it in your hands. Very good. Now you can take the exercise a little further and put an accent, especially when you're doing it with a, with a double stroke. You better put an accent on the 5th beat. Just dynamic, super important. It's just going to give you also more control to practice it like this. So it'll be right, right, left, left, right. Left, left, right, right, left. Right, right, left, left, right. Left, left, right, right, left. Great. Okay. I'm going to show you in context what we would be doing with this 5-stroke roll at like a kind of normal regular speed. Right, so it's really powerful. It's really, really awesome. And in this case, I'm just doing the 5-stroke roll once, and I'm doing it with my strong hand because it just gives me more power. Of course, I always want to practice with the left hand, but when I'm playing, I want to utilize my strengths and minimize my weaknesses, right? So, okay, let's go through. Let's go through this little pattern really slowly with the Rumba Catalana, which is one of the first grooves you learn on my modern method for Cajon. Again, all of the grooves we're going to be using right now as a case study are on my modern method for Cajon, and I take you through a bunch of like different variations on each groove pattern with practice along videos, and then there's a play along video for every single groove as well. And there are literally hundreds of videos and a ton of awesome grooves. So if you're serious about really getting a good sound and really expanding your knowledge and really mastering the Cajon, go and check it out. Okay, let's go through this. We're going to start slowly with the Rumba Catalan. 1, 2, 3, and on the last, like on the 1 of the 4th bar, 2, 3, 4, dem, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, here we go, and again, a little accent on the 5th beat, just kind of closes that break just before the dead silence. So it's also, creating dramatic effect by using your dynamics. Very important. Now let's try this exact same pattern, but with the double stroke. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 4. Again. And 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. And okay, that's very cool. It takes a little bit less energy to do this double stroke because you're a lot more relaxed on each stroke. It's really the whole point of doubles is that you're doing 2 strokes with the energy that it takes to do 1 stroke. And that's why you want to really practice it because it takes quite a while to get into your hands. Let's try it a little bit faster with the same groove, and then we're going to try it with a different groove. 1, single stroke, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Very good. Again. let's try it with a double stroke. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, another groove. Let's try, for instance, the Stand By Me groove. When the night is come, ooh, when the land is dark. Let's go. Let's try it with this. At that speed. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And da 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 da. Okay, with the double stroke. Here we go. 3. Here we go. And da 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 dum. Do ba ba da do. Do ba ba da 3. Here we go. And da 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 dum. Da 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 1. 2. 3. Here we go. And very good. Now you want to keep practicing that diligently, and again, you want to learn that pattern. Go and become a subscriber of my modern method for cajon. It's really awesome and really worth it. Okay, cool. Next groove we're going to be doing is the kind of reggaeton. 3, here we go. And 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Single stroke again, right? 2, 3. Last one with a single stroke, then we go to the double stroke. 3 and 3, 4. Double stroke now. 2, 3. Hey, 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 and you can learn to sing with it. That's another thing that you can do. Again, 1, 2, 3, double stroke. A, 1, 2, 3. Good. Examples of what you can do with a 5-stroke roll. Practice it diligently, and again, if you need someone to help you go through your practicing and build up a strong, disciplined practicing routine, that's the very reason why I created my modern method for cajon. It's one thing to learn random patterns and little things all over YouTube and on the internet. That's a lot of fun, but if you want to be more serious, you want to get a good sound, and you want to have some kind of control and some kind of strong consistency in your playing, and just being confident and sounding fantastic and then looking fantastic and just having the greatest fun, because when you sound fantastic, you look fantastic, you're feeling confident, you absolutely have a great time and you look really awesome when you're playing, when you're jamming with your friends, when you're out on the stage. So my recommendation is go and check out my modern method for cajon. It is going to teach you step by step how to build up a disciplined routine to really become a master of the cajon and have a fantastic sound. So go and check that out. And also, of course, today, as usual, I'm always playing Cruz Cajon, that's my own brand. It's named after the cross, obviously. And this one is particularly a brand new limited edition deluxe fire horse cajon. There's only 10 being made of them. You can choose the color of your front board. You can have your name engraved in the back. There's incredible engravings. There's this beautiful, comfortable artisan details all over this cajon. It's incredible. Go check all my cajons out on cajonbox.com. I've got my own cajon shop. And I am very serious and honest when I say they are really the best cajons out there on the market. Also, for value for money, you don't get anything better. Have a beautiful, 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 beautiful day and a beautiful week and a beautiful month and a beautiful year and a beautiful life. I'll see you guys when I see you.